Hey guys, I just got this. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, I just got the DJI OSMO Pocket 3. This one I got the Creator combo. Pretty excited about this because I wanted something that I could vlog easier with. I have my phone, iPhone 15 Pro, which does take really great log footage, which you can see in one of my other videos. But I wanted something that is smaller, more on hand, especially than my camera that I'm recording this on right now. So let's open it up and see what's inside of here. Alright, first we've got the bundle, which I'm guessing the camera's going to come in. Instruction manual. Here's another part, I think is the handle grip. Cool. Alright, we got the handle, I believe. Got the handle, I believe. And that. Alright, yeah. Alright, this is the, DJI Pocket 3 protective cover. You can see inside of there will be a spot where you can put in your wide angle lens and black pro mist. And the main part comes in this very small, nice little bag. I used to love huge bags because it just felt like you were getting more, but as I've been traveling and working with more things, the smaller that it can be in, the better it is. Alright, first we've got, looks like a USB-C connection. Alright, I believe this is an external battery power adapter, and it also has a thread mount, so you can attach this to like any stands that you actually have. So that's nice. Ooh yeah. Here is the microphone, which I'm super excited about. Because right now all I have is just an on-camera mic. It's one of those Rode mics, which is great, but especially if you're outdoors, it's a lot to set up. This will be better just for recording. Alright, here is, looks like a bigger version of this essentially. I guess probably more power to it, and just, you have both the connection on the front and back, which actuates these grips. Yeah, this one's got a charge. Here we go. Now, a little tripod for the camera. Also can work as a handle. Nice, feels good. Decent plastic, nothing crazy. Alright, and the main event. Here it is. DJI Pocket 3. Alright, so here we have the LCD screen on the back. So let's go ahead and take this off. Screen, I believe, actuates, there we go. Flip if you want to do horizontal. Oh, there it is. Having me choose a few things. Let me get the camera so you can see this setup. So here we have the Pocket 3. There you can see the 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Let's go ahead. Click in. Let's choose English. Is that right? Or maybe it's this button. Oh. Oh. I'm silly. Touch screen. Alright. I'll skip this for now. Alright. Swipe from left to enter playback. No SD card, makes sense. Change audio, glamour effects, adjustment. Switch between shooting modes. Alright, tap switch between tilt control. Let's check battery level, 54%. All right, let's see this. Video. So right here, we have it. Flip to horizontal. There you can see camera. There's Peloton, getting a nice little tour of what it looks like down here. Now let's see if I want to record myself. What's up, y'all? All right, this looks good. Oh, turned off. Oh, I get it. It needs to go into I believe, another mode for you to start it in this profile. Swinging around. So it still looks like it's in the same orientation as you see the camera here. So I'm wondering if it just crops it. So when it talks about 4K, if it's just a cropped sensor essentially. Obviously right now it's just in 1080. Let's flip back. There we have it. All right, so as you can see here, currently looking at myself, you can see the Star Wars helmets up top. But what's nice already is you can quickly whip around the gimbal if you need to change shooting modes that you're doing. Yeah, that's a huge difference. Otherwise, you'd have to spin this around for a whole time, which that would be super annoying. But this allows you to easily control some of those features. All right, I got face tracking going. I figured I would finish the video on some actual recording on the Pocket 3 so you can see what the quality looks like. I was an idiot and tried to do slow motion because I know it can do 4K at 120, and it does do that, but it's gonna play it back in 120. So I basically looked like I was just slurring my words, and yeah, you can get the idea. 4 times slow motion. Recording this right now, 4K at 60 frames a second. I'm watching it, you can see this is gonna throw for a loop. The live camera, ooh, it's trying. On the phone, it's pretty good. Doing face tracking right now. Something I did see, which is kind of weird, which I mean I could kind of benefit from. You can do face slimming on there. Let me see if I can, no, I can't manipulate it while I'm recording. You can actually alter the size of your eyes and slim down your face in the video, which some people might want. I personally don't have a use for. But I mean, this is a pretty powerful little tool. Yeah, as you can see, here's the facial tracking. It's trying to keep me in the center of everything. Yeah. So let me show you finally what's in the full bundle. So all in all, in the bundle, you've got the lanyard, the wide-angle lens, USB-C cords, 2 batteries, tripod, carrying case so you can see up close what this looks like, and the case with all the nice little compartments so you can put in everything. All in all, I think this is a pretty good setup. Lets you do some pretty cool things, pretty powerful. I'm excited to see how it actually works in the real world, and then I'll give a review on it once I actually have time, because I don't want to do a review on gear that I haven't tested, and I hate reviews when they're obviously biased. I am excited about this product, but I don't want to call it good until I've actually seen for myself that it works. So check in. I'll have some reviews on both, drones and this camera itself. I'm going to be doing my Nikon camera after I've been able to use it for quite a while now. And anything else you want to see, let me know in the comments. Please like, share, subscribe. That would mean a whole lot to me, especially as a small channel. And I'll catch you guys later next time. See ya.